Hi, welcome to Padai Planet. So in this video we have got another question of probability, and here we are going to talk about a deck of cards, right? And the deck has got 52 cards, and there are, as we all know, there are always four different suits in a card, in a deck, and these are like hearts, then we have diamonds, right? Then we have spade, and we also have clubs. So these are the different four types of suits which are always there in a deck of 52 cards, right? Now what they're saying is a king of red color. Now we should, before we start solving this question, we should know that these two suits are of red in color, right? And these two are black color, right? So it says that the king of red color, so king of red color could be in this category, one from hearts and one from diamonds. So there are two possibilities that the king could be picked out randomly. So the answer for the first one is going to be P, the probability of the red king, right? So that's like 2, and that's out of how many cards? That's out of 52 cards, right? Because all these four suits are basically a group of 52 cards, right? So 2 divided by 52. So the answer is, if we simplify, that's 1 over 26. The second one is a face card. A face card is like there are 3 cards in every suit which has got face. So that's like king, queen, and a jack, right? So these are 3 in one suit, right? So we can say that the face card is, these are like 3 in each suit. So there are total 4 suits. So there are 12 such situations. And then again the whole thing will get divided by 52, because 52 is the total possible number of outcomes. So if we simplify it, so this is going to be 3 over 13, right? So this how you know this 12 is coming here is that because 3 such face cards will be from heart, right? From heart we will have 3, then from diamond also we will have 3, then spade we will have 3, right? And the club will also have 3. So putting together all of these, we will have 12 if we sum them up. So that means there are in total 12 such cards are there which are basically face cards, right? That's the reason this 12 is taken here, right? So this is how we get the answer. Now let's check out the third one, a red face card, right? So as we know, a red face card, so it's like RFC, red face card. So red means only these two possibilities, which are like heart and diamond. These are red. So that means we will add up only these two face cards. So that means it is 6. So we will write 6 divided by the total number of cards. So that's like 52. So this is going to be 3 over 26. That's the possibility, and that's the probability. And now we will look at the fourth one. So the fourth is that the possibility of a jack of hearts. So jack of hearts is possibility of jack of hearts. So there is only one jack of hearts, and so we will take 1, as an possible outcome, because this is only possibility, only one possibility. Out of how many cards? Out of 52 cards. So this is like 1 over 52. So this is the final answer which we've got. Now let's look at the spade. Now what they are saying is, that the card which we pick out randomly must be a spade, and it could be of any number, any face, that does not matter. Only the condition which is required here is it must be spade. So out of 52, there are 13. Each of these suits have got 13 cards, right? So 13 is the number which could be possible, maximum could be possible. That is the maximum number of outcomes which are possible, divided by the total number of outcomes. So that is like 52. So the answer which comes here is 1 over 4, right? So now let's go to the sixth one. Now here is the queen of diamonds. So the queen of diamonds is this queen of diamonds. Now this is exactly the similar kind of question which we solved this one, the jack of hearts. Jack of heart is only 1, so we took 1 here, and the total number of possible outcomes was 52, so we took 52. Similarly, when we are talking about the probability of the queen of diamonds, that is only one card, only one such card, right? So the 1 would be divided by 52. So that's your answer. So this is how, if I mark the final answers in this video. So this is one answer, this is the second one, right? Then we've got the third here, right? This is the fourth one, fifth, and this is the sixth. So this is a very simple but very important question, because this brings in a lot of conceptual clarity and ability. It forces us to think from different perspectives about the complete deck of the cards. And from exams perspective, the probability questions which would come in exam, the 90% chances are that it would be a coin based question or a deck based question. It's like great probability that in the from the probability chapter, these are the two kinds of questions which would come. So please get this question practiced thoroughly and keep watching these videos. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.